In this video, we are going to fix this anchor point issue. Right now, as you can see, anchor point looks something like this. So if I want to rotate, it will rotate from this point where is the anchor point. We don't want that. We want to rotate from the center. So there are two ways to fix this. The first way is to click this pen behind icon and control and double click on it. It will come to center and we can do it something like this. Okay, we did what we want. And another way is to control alt and home button. If we press this, it will come to the center. These are two ways we can use. So hope this helped. Please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.